welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Hemby, and today we are going to be doing May's ISPY Boxy Charm unboxing. So I'm hoping this month they did package it better than last month, but I'm not sure how I feel about it because look here. The main seal was broken. They've gone around and taped it with just regular tape. So let's open this up and see what we have here. Also, I did forget what the choices were already. I have been so busy lately, I can't remember like hardly anything if I don't write it down. So let's open this up. Oh my goodness, they've even used tape over here to keep that latch. I don't know. Again, what's up with these things? But hey, we got a lot more than what we did last time. So first thing I see here, this is a Perfectic primer. It's a matte finish primer. Let's see what else we have. Don't recall that, but hey. We also have, this is from Kat Von D. I actually did choose this. This isn't one of those things that they chose for me. I picked up the light warm one. I love their packaging. That's so pretty. Okay, that's promising. I do like that shade. Sometimes it's hard to choose shades online, so I'm content with that. And I really do like their products. So we also have, this is from Aveda, and this is a style foam. I actually did choose this as well. So it's a mousse. I do like using mousses to give me the volume, and my son uses them too. So I thought this would be a good way to try it. Let's see this here. This arrived opened, and it actually was ripped. So I don't know if people are just trying. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Okay, but it does not look swatched at all. This is called Whispering Rose, and this is from Violet Voss. And those are really, really pretty shades. Excited about that. I absolutely love this cleanser. This is from Fresh. This is a soy face cleanser. This bottle is huge. I love this. This is like one of my all-time favorite face cleansers. This literally melts away makeup, waterproof, name it, it will melt away. And then the last thing I have here is from Iconic London, and this is a Beachside Babe eyeshadow palette. One of my favorite things for makeup is eyeshadows. Wow, this is so pretty. Look at those. Oh, I love this. So maybe I'll do a short with a look from this. Let me know. And that's it. And then here is the pamphlet. It was all the way at the bottom. And it's Let Yourself Bloom and SPF Mythbusters. So I just kind of have that inside. If you guys want to do a screenshot and read it. But yeah, I don't hate this box. I don't know if it's coming like this from ISPY or if it's from the post office. I'm not sure, but I'm just happy I got all my products in here and nothing came broken. So I am much happier this month than what I was last month. So excited about that. Guys, let me know what you guys got in your box as well, and let me know what you guys thought about these items. So I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't so already, please don't forget to subscribe, and please don't forget to hit that like button. Thank you, and have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.